Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Proposify. Proposify is a good software that you can use, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to top right, sign up for free. Now if you already own an account guys, completely skip this step and let's go for the next one. First name, last name, Marcus Stone, company, business email. I will just add a temporary here. Temp email, and then I'm going to copy it, paste it, password, I agree, create my account. Just wait until it loads, and then we will continue. Look at this. What option best describes your role? I'm going to be sales manager, select, country, Slovakia. How many employees are at your company? 1 to 10. Let's do this. Now, in the moment when you're gonna enter Proposify, before we start, I'm going to give you a walkthrough what we will learn in this tutorial. First thing first, in the pipeline, we can simply add a stream and documents. Content library. Here we would be able to add sections, templates. We can use templates here, metrics. This is like the analytics, the reporting. Users. Here we would be able to simply invite new people. Clients. This is where we are going to start. I'm going to click a new client. We will be creating clients. And integrations and settings. Now before we start and we go to clients, etc., we're going to start with the settings here and we're going to set up everything. So the first thing first, click on the company information and edit everything from company logo, address, city, website URL, subdomain that you can change, industry, and company size. I'm not going to do it because you have to fill it by yourself. You can simply add a logo here, close, and we got a logo. You would add address line, account owner, industry in which you're in, and company size. Then click save when you fill everything. I will wait for you for a while. Then you're gonna see domains here. Here you can simply add a custom domain, billing, email templates. This is something that you can add a new template, thank you, default email, and you can change those, right? So you can, as you can see, when you are sending email template right here, click to view proposal, and if you want to, you can create a new one. You can send reminder thank you payments, and let's say for send, and you could easily create it. And you can also customize the design and change the fields, change the logo, change the text here, the links and buttons. Again, this is completely up to you. You don't have to actually customize your email design, but it's up to you if you actually want to. Then when we go even further, we're gonna see the currency here. And you're gonna see the currency display format. We're gonna have the US dollar here and design the display format. I would like it to be displayed. I'm going to leave it like it is, but this is what you can do. Then client preview. This is how we will look for client preview settings. And you can edit these. So select a language, date format, show accept decline buttons, allow comments. You can include texts, show chat widget, and you can set up the chat if you want to. And then also we can change the display settings. So this is the client preview. Fonts here. And you can edit those and use. Then we have roles and workspaces. And these are the paid ones that you can access. So this is how we can work around the settings. Now let's go for the next thing and let's see how we can add client. what you want to do is click on clients and then click here on a plus new client. Here you can add a new company or add a new contact. I'm going to first add a new company, and then we will be adding contacts. Sun company, address line, let's say it's going to be city, so country, okay, state, province, postal code, website URL. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to click save and then done. And what I have to do is, like, when I would have the Sun company has no contacts, click here to add one, and first name Marcus contact, title none, email, office number and mobile number. You would add it and then click save. Done. And voila, here we have the contacts. So I could click on clients, I would click on a company, and here it is, the contact. What you can do is you can directly create a proposal right here to your contact. And voila, here we are. But we will get to it, and you can use and go this way, but we can go also to content library. I will show you, okay? So when we go to the pipeline, what I can do, we're gonna have like pipeline total. This is the example company. When I would click on it, how it actually looks like, what you're gonna see, the contact details here, the signature, recipients, and you can create proposal. So this is for the example company. What I can do is, let's say I'm going to click here on plus how to add new document. So document, first template, okay, you can use starter template, or you can use the sample templates. This is the logo. And you have option if you're gonna start with a stretch, or you want to use, I don't know, different template. That's completely up to you how you do it. But this is going to be a little bit messy, but then you will like understand it, how to actually use it. It's not that difficult. And let's just wait here until it loads. And look at this, okay. Templates plus template. And voila, here we are. So you see it right here, client name, proposal name. And what you can actually do, you can simply add a sections. So I can click plus, and you can add a page flow, static, import PDF or section library. So when I'm going to add a page flow, look at this, we're gonna have the 3 pages here. And let's say what you can actually do here, and etc. On the right side, you would have pricing plan. So you can add proposal value, let's say 10,000. See? Then you're gonna see the template name here, and I can change that. $10,000. And then you're gonna see the signature. So let's say I'm going to add a signature, and I would just move it right here. So, or like here. And let's say I would have signature on the document. Then need signed by your company or client company. So that's how we do it. You can also add initials. And then let's say I'm going to add again signature, but this is going to be proposal lead, right? And then again initials, proposal lead. Then you can also add a text properties. See, what you have to, and how I did it is that delete it. You need to click on a text and click it and just drag it, and it will automatically appear on a screen. See? Then you can add a text here, and you can edit that text here. Colors, you can make it bold, increase the size of it. So we can make it italic, also underline it. And that's how it's done. You can also add image library here. You can add images. You can also add video. You have to like click on it, and then you would add a link like YouTube. Let's delete it. You can also shape properties, and you can create properties here like square. You can move it and play around it as much as you want. Delete it. You can create a line. Or you can simply add a table. And you can make it free or content. And let's say I'm going to make it like this. Insert content table. Or like free table. It's like up to you what you do, guys. And then what you have to do is to add a fee title. So I'm just going to delete this thing here that appeared here. Oh, that's this one. So we're gonna have the table here, and you can edit it, right? And you can add multiple rows, multiple prices. See, and it's automatically gonna count. So this is how we can create a table, and then the signature. That's what we got here. So when we have it, we can also turn on the grid. You can turn on the full screen, and then go right top, generate proposal. But right before that, we're gonna see the edit styles and formatting. And you can change the tables right here. You can play around it if you want to. And then go right top and general proposal. And now we can see right here, document settings, template name. Select a client. I'm going to Sun Company. Contact Marcus Contact. Assignee Marcus Stone. Next step. And see, this is how it looks like. We got a signature for Marcus Contact. Template name, Sun Company, template name, price. Then this is a text, signature, initial. And then I can click preview next to the share. And this is how it would actually look like. See? And what I have to do is go to bottom right. I can download the PDF, share this proposal, or sign and accept. And I can sign it here. But we're not going to, like, we're gonna click like decline here. And you can decline the proposal if you want to, or I can simply click here on the signature, and I can sign, expect, or draw it like this. Initial, submit. And this is how I do it. And then I click accept. Proposal history, close. And this is how I do it. Now I would go back here. Or you can also edit the document on right top. And you could like go to top right and click share. And sending to Sun Company. Here you have option to share this proposal from to. Okay. Select send email template. Then you could like add a message. thank you email, reminder email, and send to client. Are you sure you want to send this email? Submit. I will verify my account here. I would send the proposal when I clicked on pipeline and send to client. Are you sure you want to send this email to client? Right before we do it, guys, you can see that you can also send me a test email. You can do it for yourself too, or you can click send to client, submit. Okay, and now I go to my email. And look at this. Here I got the email, click to view proposal. And look at this. I would click here signature. Draw or type, that's fine. Sign and accept. And I got it. Submit. And this is pretty much how you use Proposify. Okay, and done. Proposal history. This is the history of the proposal. And this is pretty much it, how we can use, guys, Proposify. I know that this program is a little bit clumsy. That sometimes, like with the content library and everything, it can look a little bit tricky. Also, you get a metrics here. And you can see the metrics and everything, how it works. And like the whole pipeline sometimes can look confusing because it's going to jump you from here and there. But if you get a hold to it, it can be useful. Here on users, you can simply invite a new user if you want. First name, last name, email address. And that's how we can do it pretty much. And you would invite user and you would add a role here. So this is pretty much it, how we can use Proposify. This was a Proposify tutorial, Proposify guidance, how to use Proposify, Proposify for beginners, Proposify how to add client, Proposify how to add document, Proposify guide. So thank you very much, guys, for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.